Hey, blessings, fierce butterflies. It's Coach Renee. I'm back with another video. As always, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel, share the channel, all that good stuff. Well, I am here, of course, to give an update, to show my little progress on my rug. And yeah, to be honest, I'm still a little disappointed in the rug, because you realize you have a lot of blank canvas left. Actually, what you see here is the width that the butterfly is going to be, and so all this extra space along here, all this stuff, canvas, is blank. But I'm sure I'm going to have to use some of it, especially if I fold it back and put it on the board or something. But I did want a much bigger butterfly, but that's my bad for not reading the dimensions on the box. But I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of work on it this morning. But of course, I wanted to come in and encourage you all with something. You know, I'm gonna find a message out of everything. So last night it was raining and thundering so freaking hard. It's not even funny, right? It's not even funny. I'm here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was raining and thundering so hard, right? And so I got up this morning and did a little thinking and everything. I actually had something scheduled. I was gonna be meeting my brother Joel. We were supposed to meet up yesterday, but something came up on his end. We had to reschedule for this morning. And of course, the weather is really, really bad. And with my lung condition, I don't like to get out there in the weather because it will give me a flare up. And so I want to be smart. So instead of us meeting out for a brunch, we're just going to Skype in and do what we got to do over the phone, because we're working on a workshop that's coming up in October, I believe. So you're going to be masterminding with Joel and Renee. Of course, I'm going to keep you all posted on that. I'm going to make sure I give you all an opportunity to register for that. But yeah, so instead of meeting out, we're going to do a conference call at 11. But I was sitting here and I pulled this out to start working on it. I was like, God, it is so gloomy and dark outside. So you know I'm gonna pull a message out of everything, right? So I was just sitting here and I was like, God, I found myself feeling a little sluggish. And so I'm just like, oh God, I want to be in a pump mood when I'm planning stuff. You know, you got to have excitement in your planning. But anyway, it's going to be there. But I was like, why am I feeling so gloomy? And then I remember what the weather looked like. So of course, from thinking about the weather and thinking about my mood, I say, there's a message in the mood, baby. So what I want to tell y'all is, no matter what it looks like on the outside, that includes if the weather is dark and gloomy, if it's thundering and raining, if your friends acting shady, if your family walking away from you, no matter what's going on the outside, make sure you keep it sunny and bright on the inside, right? Now, it may not always be easy to do that, but what is easy to do? Especially when it's worth it, when the outcome is going to be great. You know it's going to be some work in it. But we have to get to a place that no matter what's going on the outside, we stop letting it affect our insides, because it's in here which counts, right? Because we got shelter from the rain. So it's not like you're outside in the rain, in the storm, in the thunder. Get under the shelter. And what's our shelter? Who is our shelter? The true and living God, baby. The true and living God. Where we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. A black, then 3 pinks. Black, 3 pinks, 4 pinks. 3 orange. What you going over here? You're an intruder. 3 pinks and another black and 1 of you. Okay, so who we going with after the green? Going with the black. Where we at? So yeah, this rug here, let me tell you, like I said, it is. I won't say I hate it. I don't hate it. You do have to stay on your toes and make sure you stand in line with your colors, because one color off throws everything off. So I got to make sure I'm staying in line, but it's just making you increase your focus. So I guess I won't complain, but I didn't realize it was going to be so small and with all this extra canvas going on. So will I buy this one again? I won't say no, because I enjoy doing them, but I will look for a larger one, and I will look for the ones that's color coded for me. So, but yeah, I just want to come in while I work on this a little bit and encourage y'all with that. Y'all know I'm always finding something, There's always a message in the mess. There's a message in everything. So, yeah, I'm going to just do a little bit here and then prepare for, it's 10 o'clock. I just need about 30 minutes to prepare, because I'm already prepared. I just need to pull it out and look over it again. But anyway, let me spend a few more minutes on this. So take a minute and watch me work. Okay, that's it for the day. Well, I won't say that's it for the day. That's it for right now. I'm going to go and get prepared for my meeting, so I can set the mode, set the tone, get excited. You got to be excited working with Brother Joe, because he is the bomb. I love his energy. But, yeah. So let me go off and work on our mastermind workshop that's coming up, and Until my next video, let's remember to be good to ourselves and let's be good to one another because it makes the world a much happier place. Remember, stay sunny on the inside. Love y'all.